With OceanAlpha's experience in unmanned vessel technology and offshore operations, we believed it was the right time to develop a platform capable of supporting unmanned deep-sea work. For the industry, this represents a meaningful step towards safer, more efficient, and more practical unmanned offshore operations.
Hi, my name is Michael Kozlowski, and I'm joined today with Pinestone at the OceanAlpha booth at an exciting Oceanology International. We're in front of the V180, and Pine, can you just give us a brief overview of what you're showcasing here at the show today?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, hey everyone. So it's very excited to be here for Oceanology International. So actually we bring a lot of USV products this time. Definitely marine survey products is our key products for this show. But besides that, we have some patrol surveillance USVs, our rescue and firefighting USVs as well. This is a V180. Is 24 meters USV. It's great with a work-class ROV, designed to support subsea inspection works for flex missions in the offshore oil and gas industry, offshore wind farm, and site to do research as well.
And Pine, can you tell us what are some of the key features of the V180 system?
Sure. Yeah, V180 demonstrates OceanAlpha's advanced USV design and development capacities, with a full load displacement of 180 tons, an endurance of up to 30 days, and a payload capacity of 35 tons. The platform can operate in Sea State 4, making it suitable for demanding offshore missions. It combines autonomous navigation, a DP2 dynamic positioning system, and an integrated launch and recovery system for a world-class ROV, enabling stable and precise subsea operations on a fully unmanned offshore platform. The platform also features a hybrid power system and a dual satellite communications to support reliable, long-endurance offshore operations.
That's excellent, Pine. And can you tell us what the V180 means for the industry?
Sure. Actually, very few projects around the world are currently attempting to combine a 24-meter USV with a world-class ROV, because the engineering challenges are considerable. With OceanAlpha's experience in unmanned vessel technology and offshore operations, we believed it was the right time to develop a platform capable of supporting unmanned deep-sea work. For the industry, this represents a meaningful step towards safer, more efficient, and more practical unmanned offshore operations. We are already in discussion with several leading global companies to explore real-world deployment and applications of this system.
That's just excellent, Pine. And how does the V180 fit into OceanAlpha's overall product strategy?
The V180 represents an important step in OceanAlpha's long-term product strategy and completes the company's tiered USV portfolio for marine operations. The lineup now ranges from the 4.5 meters M40P, the 7.5 meter L25, and the 8.5 meter L42 to the 24 meters V180 USV ROV system, with the 15 meter V11 USV ROV system coming soon. Beyond marine survey, OceanAlpha also develops USVs for security, firefighting, and life-saving applications. This gives OceanAlpha one of the most comprehensive unmanned service vessel portfolios in the industry. Later this year, the company also plans to introduce a new 12-meter firefighting USV, which would be the world's first unmanned firefighting vessel.
And Pine, what vessel are we in front of now?
Yeah, this is our very typical marine survey USV for us. It's named the L42. Actually, it's a dual power systems for the USV, and it has a very strong payload integration capacities, a very wide platform. So with 2 moon pools and towing systems, which can integrate with multi-beam sensors, with supporting profilers, as well towing the side scan sonars and the MACIs. Yeah, so this is a we have delivered these vessels for a lot of countries, including Africa, including Southeast Asia, including Middle East, and also South America. So it's very, cost-effective solutions for the customers to apply such kind of a marine survey USV in their survey works, comparing to those, traditional vessels that can saving the cost, saving the manpower, and also remove the captain from the vessel to the, remote control center on land. So that will be more user-friendly for the customers. Yeah. So. Yeah, I think this is a very successful product now, and we would like to promote to more survey companies to use such kind of technologies in their daily work.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
That's wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much for the insight. We really, really appreciate it. And thanks for spending some time with Marine Technology Reporter to discuss the latest innovations. And I hope you have a successful show.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to
It was a
Michael.
pleasure.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you.